welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and this is DIY with Sarah Renee. Today what I have in store for us is to take some already used or supplies that I already have in the house and spruce them up into something different. Sometimes you can get in a creative funk, I guess you could say, where maybe creativity is struggling for you. So a great way to get out of that funky state of mind is to just take inventory of what you already have. Maybe a piece is something that you really like, but maybe the color isn't right. Or maybe there's a piece of wood sitting downstairs in your basement and you think, okay, let's see if I can make myself incorporate this in a project. And that's exactly what I did for these two projects today. I took one lamp already existing in my home that I didn't really care for the color of the lamp shade. And then another piece was, in fact, that wood slab that I had downstairs in our basement. And I thought, man, if I stained that up, cut it up a little bit, added some little feet to the bottom, that would be a really cool tray to set out. So what I'm saying is I encourage you to look around your home to see if there are things that you can alter even just a little bit to make them more your own. Please make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel before we get going. It helps me out a whole lot and I really appreciate it. But if you're excited to see how I put my own spin on these two items, come on with me. Let's go create. So here are the two pieces that I created for today's video, up front and center, and I really love how both of these turn out today. Being able to make something more your own, especially in such a simple way, is a great way to get those creative juices flowing again. Something I really liked about the lamp in particular is if I wanted to go back through and do a second layer of this, I totally could. I could make it more solid all the way around versus just one sheet where, as you can see, you can kind of pull and see the shade underneath still. But I really like how the light just kind of pulls through those more loose areas, I guess you could say. I really like how this turned out, and it's so easy. And if I decided, hey, this olive green is really not what I'm looking for now, I could easily just take it apart and do a different shade or do a different color, whatever would work best for that time. But for now, I think it's perfect. It matches my decor so perfectly in the kitchen. And is it not the cutest thing to have just a little lamp in the kitchen? It's something I just really overlooked in my years of decorating and things like that. So adding that little lamp in there made a huge difference. So yay for this one. And this wood tray, you guys, I cannot even begin to tell you how much I'm obsessed with this thing. I love how it turned out. I love how I took the handsaw and made more like divots in the edges of the board. It just gave it this beautiful aged look, and it's the perfect little height with those the little feet on the bottom. It's the perfect little height, little bump up for that area, and the color is just stunning. I really like how this turned out, and to think this was literally just a piece of wood sitting in the basement, not doing anything. You add a couple feet, you sand it down, you stain it up, you're good to go. But I just love how this turned out. I think that it's such a great addition for that little corner that I have on the counter. I'm really happy with this one. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure that you like it, give it a little thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.